Hello, I'll show you YALE 3+3 Safe Lock. On the second turn, you cannot extract the key. This is the structure of the key, 3+3 wafers, 6 in total levers. This is the specific model of the lock. And this is LuckyDecoder. Yale Safe 3+3. In the box you will receive universal card reader, you will receive specific reset tool to be used only with this model, small box with additional spare pins, and this is the original package, the original boxing of the tool. So you mount the small tension handles. You go fully to the right. This is called turbo wheel. Whenever you turn it, you can see that the cassettes are popping out and you can bring them in. So this is the wheel that causes the pumping, the additional pumping that helps overcome the locks very, very easily. Now, you go to the right, grab the reset tool. Through the 6 holes you go and you push them fully in. They must be aligned. If they're not aligned, this means that one or more, the ones that are not aligned, is not fully reset. And we're ready to go. You insert with the pins always corresponding to the lock tongue or whatever. You must be exactly at the correct depth. You try it. Here you can see that the levers are lifting themselves. The decoder does not stay stationary here, so you must hold it. Don't forget, this is not a force tool, so you don't have to give it a lot of tension. Tension now to the right until the first indicator here goes until the first. You return it and you release. Light tension, few pumps on the first stop point, then you're ready to proceed on the second. This is called progressive opening. We give some time for the pins to adjust themselves, and that's it. You can extract it, and from this point on you can read the code. You have so many positions here from this side and on the other side. So basically what you need to do is you have to find the correct depth. Let's try it, for example, on the 9. This is not the one. This is not the one. And you can see here that the first pin, or the last one, depending on how you want to read them. Let's say this is the first one. It's a 7. The next one is a little bit lower, so I'll try an 8, and you can see it's 8. Basically you write them down. This is, let's try it here. Yes, so 7, 8, 9, and you proceed the same way. You write it down. This will ensure that later when you want to make a duplicate key, mechanical duplicate key, it will be of great use. Now again to the right. Insert. You lift the levers, small tension. Now you can see that I cannot extract the tool, so here I must find the correct depth in which I managed to open it, so that I can successfully turn it to the right, and that's it. I cannot extract it here, I can extract it when I turn it back. And again, you can read the code, especially with safe locks which forbid the extraction on the second turn. The universal card reader is quite useful. Now to the right, I'll return it into locked position. Now I inserted the opposite way, as you can see, because I'm gonna lock it. And that's it. In this position of the lock, I can again use the key as many times as I want to. So basically there is no damage on it. And this is LuckyDecoder by LuckyLocks for YALE Safe Lock. Thanks for watching.